After getting my hands dirty while fighting through the mess that is West Africa, I felt truly tired and thought I could use a vacation. So we went to India's Kerala state to get hugged by the Arabian Sea while basking in its pink sunsets and getting lost in its maze of backwaters. Then hopped on our Royal Enfield Himalayans and embraced the curves of the Western Ghats under the full bloom of the jacaranda trees. Only to end up in the lush green rolling hills of Munnar and tea plantations as far as the eye can see. Waking up early and rising above the misty valleys was the right thing to do. And thus we found ourselves on the famous Gap Road, savoring the first rays of the southern Indian sun. All that while watching the life go by, as if our troubles were just smoke and mirrors. We attracted smiles and welcomed blessings, contemplated our origins, but for a change, let others do all the work, while we perfected the art of taking it easy in this God's own country. Powered enduro on Himalayans. Nice. And it started raining. And it's getting dark. As always. How do I end up in these places? I don't know. What's wrong with me?